You don't want to take out your iron. Here is a portable steamer, very compact. Within 25 seconds, it's going to produce steam and take those wrinkles out. So what we're going to do is open this up, get a close-up look, get a shirt, and show you how this works. And then you'll decide if you're going on vacation, on a cruise, you're just on a business trip in the office, and you need to clean up real quick and take care of your clothing. This may be the product for you. Come, let's get a nice close-up look at it. The unit, a measuring cup, 100 millimeters, a small press, a carrying bag, and an instruction manual how to operate the unit. We have some water we're going to just add in. Go over the unit. You have a nice long cord with a Velcro strap. An on and off button. On is towards the right. Off is towards the left. A steam press button. The steam nozzles and heads. A rubber pad base. This button is actually a plug. It opens up. You take your water and pour in. Let the plug go. Plug up. The unit's plugged in. It has a window showing the water level. We're going to turn the unit on. We're going to look for a light, a lamp. There's another window here on the other side. There is a red indicator right here. I do apologize if you can't see it. In 25 seconds, it is ready to go. And steam, it is on green, as you can see. Please keep your hands away from here. And there is the steam coming out as you press. As you see the steam, we are steaming away. Then I'm going to take the little press and get rid of my wrinkles. You can feel this thing going like this, and it is doing a great job. When I'm all done, I shut off, and it immediately shuts down. This is an awesome machine. It really steams up immediately in under 30 seconds, 25 seconds to be exact. And it will show a blinking red light as it's working and then turn green when it's ready. So it comes with a nice cord, and you can wrap it up with the Velcro. It comes with a carrying pouch, a nice comfortable bag. that will fit everything inside. Put it upside down and all this good stuff, and you don't see any water coming out whatsoever on the bag. So if you're looking for a portable steamer from Aspiron, this product may be right for you.